Interconveyance of energy. Energy cannot be created or it also cannot be destroyed. We can only change the energy from one form to another form. For example, when we rub our hands, so we convert mechanical energy into heat energy. There are also other examples of interconveyance of energy in nature. For example, heat energy from the sun is absorbed by the oceans. When this heat energy is absorbed by the oceans, so inside the oceans, thermal energy increase. When thermal energy in the oceans increase, so it causes the water to evaporate. Then water evaporate from the surface in the form of vapors. So these water vapors moves into the clouds. After that, these clouds cool down and form water drops again. These water drops fall down on earth in the form of rain. These water particles, when they are coming down in the form of rain, so they have kinetic energy, and the kinetic energy of these water molecules is used to wash the soil particles of rock, which is called the soil erosion. And some of this kinetic energy of the water molecule is again converted into thermal energy. And then due to the increase of thermal energy, the water start to evaporate and the process of evaporation will start. And then from the evaporation, the water again change into the vapors. In this way, the interconveyance process will be continue. Here, with the help of a diagram, we will explain the process of interconveyance of energy. The heat energy of the sun enters into the water. Due to that, thermal energy of the water molecules increase. When thermal energy of the water molecules increase, so due to that, water molecules start to evaporate. These water molecules start to evaporate in the form of water vapors. When water molecules evaporate in the form of the water vapors, so they have kinetic energy. Due to kinetic energy, these particles are able to move. Then these water vapors reach to the clouds. When these vapors reach to the clouds, so inside the clouds they have potential energy. After some times, these water vapors inside the clouds cools down, and from the vapors, these again converted into the water drops. When water vapors convert into the water drops, so these water drops fall down in the form of rain. When water particles come down in the form of rain, so these rain molecules, they have kinetic energy. And then due to this kinetic energy, these water particles again enter into the ocean, and this process of interconveyance will be continued. So in interconveyance, only the one form of energy will be changed into other form of energy, but the total amount of energy will remain constant.